Hey guys, it's Steve. So welcome back to the 7 Cooks to Become a Pro video series. Tonight I'm going to show you how to sear steaks on the Grill Dome Kamado. So we're going to crank this bad boy up to about 700 degrees and we're going to be featuring the Grill Dome quick flip tool. So let's go ahead and get started. Alright guys, our setup for searing these steaks is pretty straightforward. It's going to be done in 2 steps. The first step is I've got our lump charcoal lit here and we're going to take our indirect cooking rack in the down position. And so what we're going to do is we're going to have both the bottom and the top air vents wide open. We're going to shut the lid and we're going to get this thing cranked up to about 700 degrees, at least 700. We might go up to 800. The idea here is the indirect cooking rack is right next to the fire, and we'll end up throwing the steaks on for 1 minute per side to sear. And then what we'll do is we'll put our main grill grate on with the Grill Dome extender rack, and we'll pull the steaks off after we sear them. We'll let the grill drop back down to about 300, 350. And then we'll throw the steaks back on top for the internal temp to hit our target temp range. I'm going to be shooting for a medium rare. So it's a pretty straightforward cook. This is called the reverse sear steak cook. And so we'll pick back up in just a few minutes. Okay guys, so we're going to go ahead and toss our steaks on. We've got the Grill Dome up to 700 degrees. So this whole process you need to act pretty quick. So I'm going to go ahead and explain a couple things before we open this lid. Biggest thing is when you're cooking at this high of a temp, when you go to open the lid, you want to burp it. So you just barely open it like this and let a lot of that just hot air go ahead and get out. You never want to just open the lid straight up because you could get a blast of smoldering hot air against your face or your arm or something like that. So be very careful with that. The other thing is we're going to be using the Grill Dome quick flip tool. So it's a little stainless steel metal hook that allows you to quickly and easily grab the steaks and place them down on the indirect cooking rack and also flip them. So you'll see that in just a second. So I'm going to go ahead and burp the dome here, and then we're going to toss. We've got 2 nice ribeyes just with some steak seasoning. I tossed on there. You can use whatever you want. We're going to throw them on, and then I'm going to cook them 1 minute per side. So let's go ahead and get started. So we're going to go ahead and burp it and then open the lid all the way up, and this thing is absolutely cranking. So here's our quick flip tool. You can see the nice metal hook. I'm going to throw that right over the fire. And we've got our other ribeye, and we instantly want to get that lid shut. And we're going to go 1 minute per side, and I'll pick back up when we flip them. Okay, it has been 1 minute. We're going to burp the Grill Dome. See all that hot air that just rushed out? Take our quick flip tool and quickly just flip that over. You can see that crusted sear. Perfect little sear there, and just use your quick flip tool, and then again shut the lid immediately, and we'll go for 1 more minute. Alright, it has been another minute, so we're going to go ahead and burp the Grill Dome. And we're going to go ahead and pull both of these ribeyes with a quick flip tool. Let me go ahead and show you this. Look at that perfect sear right there. How amazing that looks. Now what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and shut the lid. We're going to go ahead and damper it down and let it start cooling down, and we'll toss the main grill grate on. And once we get around to 300, we'll toss these back on to let our internal temp come up. Alright guys, we've cooled our Grill Dome down to about 350, so I've got the Grill Dome extender rack installed here. So all we're going to do now is take our quick flip tool once again and just toss these ribeyes up top. Just like this, and then we're going to shut the lid, and I'm going to be checking them every minute or so with a digital food thermometer. until I hit my desired internal temp. I'm shooting for about 125, 130 for a nice medium rare. Alright guys, I'm going to go ahead and take a couple last readings on here. And we are at the 125, 130 mark. This thinner one, that's 130. Yep, we're right around 130, so we're going to go ahead and take our quick flip and pull both of these. And we're going to go ahead and let those rest for about 5 minutes, and we'll pick back up in the kitchen and take a look at them. Alright guys, we've got our finished ribeyes here. Let me let you go ahead and take a look. See that beautiful color, and you know, this the outside of the steak is just perfectly seared. It's a nice crisp crust, and you can see how it just locked in all the juices. I mean, that steak came out perfectly. So quick and easy reverse sear on the Grill Dome Kamado. Don't be afraid to get it cranked up to 700 degrees or so, because you're going to come out with these amazing results. So thanks a lot for watching, and we'll see you again soon. I hope you enjoyed today's video. Make sure to check out the other recipes in this series, and we'll see you again soon.